Peppermint. The anti-inflammatory property in peppermint helps reduce swelling of the membranes in the lining of the throat and nostrils, thus promoting easy and smooth breathing. Peppermint remedies work well for temporary snoring due to an allergy, a cold or dry air. Add 1 or 2 drops of peppermint oil to a glass of water. Gargle with it before going to bed. Make sure not to swallow the solution. Do this daily until you get the desired result. If dry air and congestion are causing your snoring, add a few drops of peppermint oil. You can also use eucalyptus oil, to a humidifier about 30 minutes before you go to bed and turn it on. Run the humidifier overnight. This will help open up your airways so you don't snore. You can also rub a little peppermint oil into the lower portions of each side of your nose before going to bed. Olive oil. Being a strong anti-inflammatory agent, olive oil eases the tissues all along the respiratory passages, reducing the swelling to provide a clear passage for air. It can also reduce soreness. Use this remedy regularly to also lessen the vibrations in the throat and stop snoring. Take 2 or 3 sips of olive oil before going to bed daily. Combine 1/2 teaspoon each of olive oil and honey. Consume it daily before going to bed. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.